Hi guys, Tara Ryan here, and today's tip from Tara is about the VA loan, and in fact, the three reasons the VA loan is the smartest loan around. Let me tell you what I mean. Number one reason, the VA loan counts childcare expenses in your debt to income ratio. No other loan that I'm aware of does this, but if you think about it, makes a lot of sense. If a family has to pay $1,200 a month for childcare, well, gosh, maybe that would impact their ability to pay back the mortgage. So on a VA loan, if you have children 12 and under, we have to ask, what's the plan for daycare? Is there a family member who's not working who's providing the daycare? Is there a family member, a grandparent or something that's providing it? Or are we enrolled in daycare? And if so, how much is it? It actually counts in the debt to income. But I think it makes a lot of sense. The second reason the VA loan is the smartest loan around is they look at disposable income. In the VA world, it's called residual income, and that's the money left over after you pay all your debts. So after we account for all the debts on your credit report, we count for the cost of this particular home and its mortgage, and the utilities on the home. We're going to estimate what the utilities might be based on the square footage. We're also going to account for what the taxes might be that you pay out of your paycheck every month. But once we do all that, we say, well, how much money is left over? And VA has a guide based on family size. Again, that makes sense. That says how much money should you at a minimum have left over? And if you don't meet the residual income, it's very hard to get a VA loan approved. But if you have a lot of money left over after you pay all those bills, VA will actually let you go even higher on your debt to income to qualify for more house. Makes a lot of sense, right? If you have $10,000 left over a month after you pay all your bills, well, yeah, you could probably afford a higher mortgage payment. And the VA allows it, and I think it's super smart. The third reason the VA loan is smarter than all other loans is they still require a termite letter here in Georgia. Termites are an issue here. We know it's an issue, and of course we recommend that buyers do a termite inspection as part of their due diligence, but the VA loan is the only loan that requires it. Some details on that: it's not a termite bond, so a bond transfer is not good enough. It actually needs to be a Georgia wood infestation report, which is a termite inspection. Good news, those are really cheap, less than $100, and the contract calls for the seller to pay for this termite letter as part of the transaction. So, three things that make the VA loan smarter than every other loan, and things that'll help you to be aware of dealing with your next veteran. If you have any veterans who need financing, please think of my team. We're local, we're experts in working on VA loans, and let's stay away from some of the online big guys who give out these pre-approval letters without actually checking anything. We're going to do the hard work up front so you can have our guarantee and help get these veterans into homes. Let us know how we can help.